Welcome to Tell Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to create a kid's profile for children who will be using the Tell app on your phone or tablet. If you don't have kids using the app on your phone, then you can skip this video altogether and head on straight to the sharing tutorial. So let's load up the app, and here we are in the narrate section by default. Let's tap at the bottom of the screen in the middle profile icon to access the profile section of the app. Now let's tap the plus next to my profile picture to add another sub-profile, a kid's profile, to the app. Kids' profiles are really useful. They allow kids to enjoy their own personal library of stories. They also allow you to control what your kids can hear and receive from other family members, since you see everything first. And when kids grow up, they can upgrade their profiles into full-fledged profiles and keep access to all their stories forever. So let's go on ahead and tap on Add Kids. I'll fill out the names and dates of birth, in my case of my 2 kids. Success! The profiles have been created, and I can see those 2 kids' profiles in the profile screen next to mine. When a child selects his profile, the app automatically logs him in and loads his own library of stories. At any time, I can easily switch back to my main profile or to any other sub-profile. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a circle to easily share stories with others. And of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and also tons of free stories that we'll make available right here on YouTube. See you soon!